Welcome to today's review of the Cable Matters UL-listed 48-port patch panel, a powerful solution designed for modern, high-speed networks. This robust and versatile patch panel is purpose-built to support Cat6 cabling environments while remaining backward compatible with Cat5e and Cat5 cables. It's ideal for those looking to upgrade their network infrastructure, whether you're managing a home office setup or a large enterprise environment. The Cable Matters patch panel features a heavy-duty 48-port configuration that stands out for its ability to support high-performance networking applications. Its design allows for rapid and precise installation thanks to clearly numbered ports, and the included color-coded T568A, T568B wiring diagrams simplify the process further. The gold-plated contacts ensure that each connection is stable and reliable, minimizing potential errors and disruptions during data transfer. One of the key features that makes this product particularly appealing is its future-proof design. Not only does it support Gigabit Ethernet, but it is also engineered for the demands of 10 Gigabit Ethernet networks. Additionally, the panel is compatible with PoE, PoE+, and PoE++ technologies, which means you can easily power IP cameras, wireless access points, or any other Ethernet-powered devices without the need for additional power infrastructure. This flexibility is critical as network demands continue to evolve in both home and professional environments. Installation is straightforward with a 2U 3.5-inch height that easily fits into universal 19-inch racks, cabinets, or wall-mount brackets. This adaptability makes it an excellent option for a wide range of installation scenarios. Users appreciate its UL fire safety listing, E486099, ensuring that the patch panel not only performs excellently, but is also compliant with rigorous safety standards. Included features such as D-rings and cable ties help keep the network organized, reducing clutter and enhancing overall cable management. In real-life scenarios, the Cable Matters patch panel stands out by delivering consistent performance and reliability. While its robust design and excellent connection quality provide a major advantage over some more basic models on the market, a potential drawback might be the complexity for first-time installers who are not fully comfortable with network wiring. However, for those with some technical know-how or with the willingness to dive into detailed installation guides, this patch panel offers excellent value for money. Compared to similar products, this patch panel is competitive in terms of build quality, safety certifications, and future-proof features. To get the most out of this product, users should ensure that they follow best practices in cable management and regularly inspect connections for optimal performance. Overall, the Cable Matters 48-port patch panel is a commendable product for anyone looking to upgrade their network infrastructure with a safe, durable, and forward-thinking solution. Thank you for watching, and have a great day, viewers.